Hello ji, namaskar to all my friends and to my subscribers. I hope and pray that you all are safe in this COVID situation in your houses with your family. Even in this pandemic situation prevailing, nowadays we are hearing so much about Israel attacks and Palestine war and Hamas and Gaza Strip and Jerusalem. Let us examine what exactly it is. We have read in our history books about Jerusalem that it is a holy city of Christianity where Jesus was born and crucified and took rebirth. Jews' holy book is Torah, which is in Hebrew language, and their place of worship are called synagogues. They live in Israel, whose capital is Jerusalem. It is the only country of the Jews, and its current prime minister is Benjamin Netanyahu. Any Jew taking birth in any part of the world becomes citizen of Israel and can live there at any time. It has population of about a crore. This is the country where army training is must. They are very much technologically advanced. It is known for Motorola Mobile and for Albert Einstein. It has developed a strong anti-missile equipment called Iron Mold, which is the best air defense system, and it can target and destroy enemy missile in the air itself after locating it with its radar system. Now, Hebrew Bible describes how King Solomon's father David, who was great warrior king, united Israel tribes, captured Jerusalem and started constructing a temple but could not complete it. Instead, his son Solomon then built it and is known as the first temple. Its innermost room was windowless, which was the most sacred area of the temple. Only the high priest was allowed to enter that room. The temple not only served as a religious building but also as a place of assembly. This was around 1000 years before Christ. The temple was looted and destroyed 500 years later by Babylonian king who also deported the Jews to Babylon. The place was under Ottoman control before British administration during World War I. Israel then got independence from British regime on 14th of May 1948 after the World War II. After having said this brief history, any talk about Jerusalem, Israel and Palestine is a sensitive topic, as the place is also considered holy to Islam. The holy site in Jerusalem is a few acres of land, about 35 acres, and it comprises of 4 quarters. Christians have one section which is called Church of Holy Sepulchre, where Jesus was crucified, and it can be accessed via Damascus Gate. There is then a second Armenian section when Armenia adopted Christianity. The third section is the Western Wall, which is the remains of the temples of the Jews. It is the most holy site in the world for the Jews. The fourth section comprises of Al-Aqsa Mosque, which is the third holy site in the world for the Muslims after Mecca and Medina. It is believed that Prophet Muhammad came from Mecca to Jerusalem and then went from Jerusalem to heavens, where he conversed with Allah before returning to the earth. Now, in 1948, when Israel got independence, United Nations adopted a partition plan for the creation of independent Arab and Jewish state and to internationalize Jerusalem under the control of United Nations as a UN observer state in a somewhat similar manner as it dealt with the Kashmir region in India. Regarding the Kashmir issue, I have already made a video. The link I have given in the description below. The position was accepted by Jews but rejected by Arabs. Rather, Arab armies invaded and fought Israel forces. Later, Palestine government was established by Arab League to govern Gaza Strip, which is only 365 square kilometer of area. In the year 1967, a 60-day war broke and Israel took all of the Jerusalem, and in the year 1980, the Jerusalem law was passed by the Israeli government declaring Jerusalem as its indivisible capital. Subsequently, in the year 1988, Yasser Arafat, chairman of PLO, that is Palestine Liberation Organization, proclaimed the establishment of Palestine to govern the region called West Bank, which is on the other side of the Gaza Strip. It comprises of 165 islands and the area is around 5,600 square kilometer, and the total population is around 50 to 60 lakh. There is thus ongoing sovereignty dispute between Israel, Jews and Palestine Arabs. Jerusalem, the center of the dispute, is also declared as capital of Palestine, although there is no physical control, and thus administrative center is located in the city of Ramallah. Palestine consider all land captured in 60 days war to be the part of Palestine. It maintains a position that Jerusalem should be an open city under the Palestine control with no partitions. It asserts that Palestine would guarantee freedom of worship and protect all the religious sites. The Prime Minister of Palestine is Mahmoud Abbas. Now, Palestinians have two wings. One is the Hamas, which is a Sunni Islamic fundamentalist group, and it is a military wing that runs Gaza Strip. Israel considers Hamas as a terrorist organization, but UN rejects this claim. The other wing of the Palestine is a social service wing called Dawa. In the given background, there is constant presence of police and Israeli military in the holy area in Jerusalem, including in the Muslim quarter where Al-Aqsa Mosque is situated under the control of a Waqf trust. Now, a few weeks before, Palestine political group force Hamas entered into Al-Aqsa Mosque, but Israeli forces got them evicted and barricaded Damascus Gate during Ramzan, and also restricted the number of the people to 10,000 who can pray in the mosque. There was also a tension prevailing over a court case to evict several Palestinian families from Jerusalem. On 10th of May 2021, police clashes erupted near Al-Aqsa Mosque because of the volatile situation with the protesters. After weeks of tension, Hamas began its rocket assault on Israel. Around 2,800 rockets were intercepted and neutralized by Israeli anti-missile system called Iron Dome, which is the air defense system it acquired with the help of America in 2011. Israel comprises only 0.1% of the Middle East land mass and is surrounded by 22 Arab Muslim nations. In response, Israel made airstrikes on Gaza Strip. Their target of attack was a network of tunnel underneath Palestine city. It is a city beneath a city. Israeli forces by its airstrike also destroyed Al Jala building, which contained also Al Jazeera office. Saudi Arabia then called an online meeting of Muslim nations to discuss Israeli acts of violence against Palestine, including the violence in Al-Aqsa Mosque. Muslim nations comprised of Turkey, Iran, Indonesia, etc. Other countries like Canada, Europe, Japan, United States, UK, Australia and New Zealand consider Hamas military wing as a terrorist organization, but China, Saudi Arab and other Muslim nations, Syria, Russia recognize Hamas group as legal. India has adopted a neutral stand and has condemned the acts of violence from both the sides, although India maintains good relations with Israel. And recently, Prime Minister Modi had visited that country to build ties. None of the Indian Prime Minister had earlier visited the said nation. What is your opinion on this world politics? Is it going to lead World War III in this critical pandemic time? Do write and give your expression in the comment section for more such interactive videos. Thank you very much.